Today, we talked with a Bay Area mom whose two sons, both under age 5, received the Pfizer COVID vaccine for that age range during clinical trials. Baby Soren was just 7 months old when he received the Pfizer COVID vaccine developed for children under 5 as part of a clinical trial at Stanford. His 3-year-old big brother, Andel, also received 2 doses of the vaccine in April. The vaccine is 1/10 the amount adults receive. Today, we asked their mom, Zenadia Good, how her 2 sons fared after getting the shots.
They did great. They get a lot of vaccines as little kids. It was just another vaccine. My Andel, who was 3 years old at the time, had a sore arm for a day. And baby Soren, who back then was, I think, 7 months, he didn't have any side effects. And they were happy kids ever since.
The FDA will now review data from Stanford and other clinical trials to determine whether to grant emergency use authorization for Pfizer's 2-dose COVID-19 vaccine for children ages 6 months up to 5 years. Some initial results have indicated that in 2 to 4-year-olds, the antibody response is not as strong as it is in adults, and there may be a need for a 3rd dose. It's something Stanford researchers are already looking at.
We're basically taking the same kids who enrolled in the 2-dose trial, and this week we've started giving them their 3rd doses.
The FDA Vaccine Advisory Committee will meet February 15th to discuss Pfizer's request and the data.
So we have not seen anything unusual here, and of course we have thousands of kids across the country enrolled. But the company did call us together last week, and they assured us that they reviewed all the data so far, and they are not seeing any safety concerns. So safety right now is the one thing we know has been demonstrated throughout this study of under 5-year-olds.
Because of the Omicron variant, more kids are getting sick. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, there are more than 3.5 million children diagnosed with COVID in the U.S. last month. If the FDA grants emergency use approval, kids under 5 could start getting the vaccine as early as next month. Marianne Favro, NBC Bay Area News.